Alright. Yeah, alright. Looks like Fort Sonic is all complete. A fort all about me. What do you think, Ashy Boy? Ashy Boy? What do you think? Nice. So yeah, Fort Sonic is all nice and complete. Yeah, well, we spent almost all the day, the whole day from like trying to do this stuff. What do we do with Fort Sonic? Well, we can hide in it. Yeah, that'll be a good idea. We can just hide in the Fort Sonic. Well, yes, we can just hide in the fort. Yes, and besides, it'll be a lot of fun. What are you doing, Ashy Boy? Stop smelling me. And also, so, what's this called again? Fort Sonic. Wow, okay, Fort Sonic, yeah. Are you sure it should be called Fort Sonic? I like Fort Sonic, but how about yeah, I got nothing. Hey, who's that? Somebody in my building? Somebody is in my structure. Somebody's in my fort. I gotta do something. What's up with all these pets? I don't know. Silver. What? Did you bring all these pets home? Well, yeah, I guess, but... Oh, I brought some more pets, though. What'd you bring? I'm pretty sure you met them before, but... I never told you that I found this orange bird, and he had his other friends. There was a green bird, and there was a pink bird, and then, well, they're just resting on the counter, but, yeah, I'll show you. I'm pretty sure, yeah, you've met them before, Sonic. These are the Angry Birds. It's Red, Chuck, Jake, and Bomb. These are the Angry Birds. What's about the white one? Oh, this is Matilda. These are the Angry Birds. And there was a orange bird who, you know, who found all these guys, and then I found them and just living in the outside, and then I took them home. Man, actually, how long have they been living here? Like, maybe like a year or two. Whatever. Alright, guys. So, you ready to have fun? Yeah, I'm ready to have some fun. Okay, then. Wait. What are you, Red? What, Red? What are you doing? Yeah, you're kind of stupid. You're not gonna lie. Buffoon. Just act like we're chickens. Just act like we're chickens from Angry Birds Peace Treaty. Remember? Oh yeah. I wasn't in that video. It doesn't matter. The guys have to show me the video. Fine. You like it? Do you enjoy your little video? Yeah, I guess I did. Bruh. Can you guys talk or not? Yes, we can talk. We're just pretending to be chickens. You mean that video from the TV just now? You guys were talking like chickens. Yeah, whatever. Oh, I want to show you guys something. Alright. Oh yeah. Come on, look at this. Hey, Silver, you're showing him our awesome fort. Yeah, this is, Fort Sonic, I believe so. Fort Silver, Fort Luigi, Fort Mario. I don't know. A structure? A structure? A structure? Oh boy. Red. Just ultra zoom in. Zoom in so much, there's germs. You can see my germs. Oh my god, god. Structure. Must knock it down. What are they doing? I don't know. Where's the music coming from? It's coming from some device. Is it coming from the Alexa? Is it coming from the Alexa? I believe so. Let's go! What are you doing? Why do you have a slingshot? Oh, we have our reasons for a slingshot. See, there's this pig named Gerald. He's coming to this house. He managed to track us down. So, we're gonna use the slingshot. Wait, no! Don't! Ah! That hurt! Oh, that also hurt. What is that thing made out of? Stone? I don't know, it's just cardboard, you idiot. It's just normal cardboard. And you knocked it all down. You're breaking. You broke my fort. Are you happy? You broke my fort. Are you happy? Don't even try to rebuild. We're not done yet. What? You're not done yet? Are you kidding me right now? Yes. Who's going next? Obviously me. Don't. No, what are you? Make this be called Attack of the Birds. No, camera. You idiot! You knocked down the fort! What if I did? The fort was useless after all. Besides, we're the Angry Birds. Blackbird, I didn't know you had legs. Blackbird? Blackbird, I had no idea you have legs. I'm right here. And this guy looks like a mirror. Hand me the slingshot. Actually, I don't really want to do two hands, so I'm just gonna throw him. I'm a bound! Actually, no. This sound effect sucks. Whoa! Wait a minute, we never got a turn to knock down the structure. Yeah, man. And I just blew up. Go. Yeah. Stop it! You guys are insane. Alexa! Alexa! Volume 10. So that's where the music's coming from? Turn it off. No, I will not tolerate this. Turn off that music. Turn it off. Wait, so the music is coming from the Alexa? Yeah. Alexa! Stop music! Jeez, why do I have to raise my voice like that? Can't you just listen or something? Oh my god. Finally. But what are we gonna do about Fort? Oh, I don't know. I don't really feel too good. Oh, I got hit by a freak. Yeah, me too. Those birds are crazy. Now you guys are just hating on the birds because they... I mean, yeah, you guys are bad. You knocked down the... Not you. You guys are bad. You knocked down the structure. How dare you? We're the Angry Birds. What are we supposed to do? We can't resist. We can't resist structures. You know, okay, what's the purpose of knocking it down when there's no pig in it? Actually, you're right. But you guys were in it. Just make a Sonic, make a new fort. Nah, okay. You guys are in trouble. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. You two are in trouble for knocking down the structure. Why? That's our thing. That's how we got famous, like. That's how we got famous 13 years ago. Yeah. Wait. How old is your series? We're 13 years old, and our I forgot what I was gonna say. Serious right now? Listen, okay, now I remember. We were so popular in like 2011, 2012, and 2010, but then something had to take our spot. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, like, I don't know what we got taken over of, but I know that Friday Night Funkin' got took over by Poppy's Playtime. You play Poppy's Playtime? No, I have no idea what it is. I just hear people say it. Name a character. The blue thing? I don't even know. You like to play Friday Night Funkin'? Yeah. I can name every character if you want me to. Okay, stop. Just build. Okay. So, let's start natural. Come on. We're not gonna at the structure. Yo, I made another improved structure. Except top is off limits because if I go on the top, it's just gonna fall over. Like, see, it's just gonna fall down when I go on the top. What happened? I happened. Now you're in trouble, Yellowbird. Oh, great. I'm out of here.